Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Ngayon guys, nag-grocery kami guys. Ayan. Ilabas natin. Yan. May keratin. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan, may manok. Junk food. Ayan, may mga ano guys. Ayan. May malaking milk. Ayan guys. May kiwi. May gluta, may pansit canton. Ay, daming dilata. May paggibar. Guys. Ayan, dahil malapit na birthday ko. Ayan. May pang spaghetti guys. Ayan. Yan, may free siya na ano. So, ayan na muna guys. Thank you for watching. See you next vlog. Bye-bye. God bless us all guys.